Here we go. We have a penny stock here. We have a huge 5-minute gap actually.
EEIQ. IBRX.
This is the two 1-minute gaps combined, but the 5-minute gap is huge. It's all the way down to here, so that's not very useful. Looking at RBNE and looking at RBNE, LNAI. So nothing yet.
KOS. SATL.
We'll see.
WTI.
TROX.
See what starts popping up.
SATL. MARA. SMMT. KOS.
CMBM.
We'll see what starts popping up.
GLND.
May get a gap and go with this stock.
CMBM. ANNA. MRAL.
SNXX.
It's pretty nice. Volumes coming in here.
AIFF.
Energy stock. Is this an energy stock? Oh, neuroscience stock. Yeah.
SMMT.
Could be good. Let me see. Try one share here.
GEN.
Nice. Not bad.
SLND. GLND.
GLND halted to the upside.
CMBM.
Let's see.
MUU.
800, 1K.
SWMR.
What's the range of this? 10 cents.
WTI.
BZAI. AIFF.
SNFF.
Don't have a clear target on this.
EEIQ.
Target maybe in the 40s.
PGEN.
Um,
RUN.
PGEN.
60s.
SCDG.
NAVN.
Okay, this one held 17 here.
ANNM. CMBM.
SOC.
SWMR. BZAI. AIFF.
SWMR.
Pretty slow. I might start with a small size here.
BZAI.
I would like this thing to hold 20s.
PGEN.
RUN.
So we'll start with small size here, 23.5. Hold 20. Then we'll increase size here.
AIFF.
Would like this to hold 20 right here over 30.
SWMR.
I could add right over 30.
BZAI.
ORBN.
AIFF.
Adding for the break of 30. 26 stop is flat. Let's see this. Let's see this at 40. I'll take profit at 40.
BZAI. PROP.
NXTT.
SNXX.
Seems like it's stalling here.
AIFF.
SWMR. ORBS.
LMRI halted to the upside.
AIFF.
Maybe we can see this at 48 out. So aggressive drop right under 30 out. Right back up over 30.
FATN.
Okay.
PROP. SWMR. MUU.
So I took it out right on that aggressive drop.
STI. PVR may run in 10 seconds.
BZAI. AIFF.
Jeez, look at that. There you go.
SWMR.
All right.
MGN.
Well, missed out on that. Cool.
EIQ. FATN. CMCT.
Interesting. Nice. Okay, so what now?
SIDU.
AIFF.
What now?
AIFF. MUU.
We have a gap here.
URR. SWMR. MARA.
EIQ.
MGN may run in 10 seconds.
Get to 35.
SWMR. MRAL.
MRAL.
AIFF.
Get to 35.
SLND.
That's a nice move.
MARA.
EIQ.
EEIQ.
Stay patient on this next move.
SWMR.
LNAI with very good pre-market, and now it's just bad.
Engine halted down. MRAO. RBNE.
SLNG.
GLND may within less than a minute. MARA.
EIQ.
RBNE.
Dang, I had no confidence in this.
SWMR. ARMG.
And that's the one that's going. Multi now.
SWMR. MRAL.
DNUT. IOBO.
Alright. So that might be it.
MRAO halted to the upside.
EIQ. BTB.
The Phoenix Harvard WRB. EEIQ. PORT.
RBNE.
RBNE.
Doesn't seem like it's gonna fold this. We got a cap right here, 27.20. Straight down.
ALZN.
BRZN.
FCHL. EIQ.
SITU.
RBNE.
SWMR. SLS. HTZ. OKLL. KDNB and halted down. RBNE. WRD.
FCHL. EIQ.
LFT may
here.
less than a minute.
22.
SUNE. FATN.
What's this low? 20. Nature was good.
SLND.
Return. Try to reach. Yeah.
SLGX.
Didn't quite get it.
BOXL.
That dip came pretty fast. It's 27 to 20. That dip came pretty fast. By the time I try to figure out where this range was, I was not able to get it.
SUNE.
Maybe there's another attempt here.
BATL.
30 seconds on this. So maybe there's a dip. We have a target all the way up here at
ADML.
7, maybe like $8. So 15 seconds, possibly a dip under 6. Under 6.
AIFF. SUNE. ALZN. BATL.
There it is, under 6. Keeping it really tight at 6. Don't break 6. We would like to see a push here
EIQ.
to 7. I'll take it right there in the 60s. Not bad. Excellent. 2 to 1 right there, or 3 to more than the 3 to 1, or 1 to 3. I keep saying that thing backwards, but you know what I mean. We have a target all the way up here, so we'll see how it develops. But nice dip right under 6. Went to 590.
MKDW.
All right, here we go. We got liquidity down there.
AIFF.
Now we have a chance to push this a little higher.
WRD. GLND may rise in 10 seconds.
All right, this one keeps going.
AAF may rise in 10 seconds.
EIQ. LNAR. MKDW.
Gonna take a little less size here on this gap and go.
AIFF.
So 680.
SL1.
Wow, I mean, there's your there's my target, $8.
SAT wrong.
There's my target. That's a crazy move. Okay, so I didn't think it would be that hot. I'm thinking we would chop around. The 5 minute kind of looks weird. It didn't seem like it would give that much strength. Here we go, dipping it under 35. 32 would be that stop. Let's see it. 34. 34. Let's do it. 34, 35. 32 is a stop here. Oh yeah, out. Oh, okay. Trying to catch this little gap here, see if we get some momentum, continuation. Pull, we got some, we got a nice bottoming wick here. Looking for another bottoming wick there. No, did not work. So now we're looking for a dip here. 79, 79, 680 is the stop basically. 680 is the stop. It's coming back there again.
SL1.
Next candle coming soon.
RBNE. SLND.
Wonder if it'll have the momentum it needs to maybe retest and keep going to $10.
FCHL. LIFF.
AOD.
CMBN.
Sick. Okay. That was good.
You see the small descent. RBNE. SL1.
RBNE.
EEIQ names in the last minute.
LIFF.
RBNE also. Lower volume.
AOD.
SWMR.
names in the last minute.
EIQ.
SLND.
This is like UGRO yesterday.
LIFF. CMBN.
EEIQ may run in 10 seconds. THCH halted. AOD names in the last minute. WYFI.
Here we go. The low this is 20.
MG may run in 10 seconds.
SSR as well. Yeah, SSR.
LIFF. CMBN.
Touch that gap. 27.
EIQ.
SL1. WYFI. AAOR. GLND may run in 10 seconds.
Wonder if it's gonna hold here. 680.
WYFI.
MKBW.
WBS. SNCS.
All right, let's see this dip instead. $24, $25. I like this pullback. I like this pullback on AIFF. Like this pullback here. I'll take this here. Tight stop. Tight stop 25. It ain't gonna go. It's SSR, so tight stop. Yeah, tight stop. So let me see if I can get this closer to 20 with a stop at 20. Yeah. Nope. Because it looks like it's gonna come lower and it doesn't come lower. Right. I need a 2-cent stop, maybe. That's okay. All right. You tried it. Looking for a really tight stop there. Wow, gap reclaim here. Gap reclaim here. This one's coming down. I like this dip. 24, 23. Oh, this is two. This one is going two. This is beautiful. This gap reclaim was beautiful. Oh my goodness, shorts are getting squeezed. All right. Looks like we got a big mover here. So we got the top of this gap. Here we have to go, I think. Here, I think we have to go. I'm gonna take this here. It's a stop at 27. I think here we need to go. We already tested that bottom. Here, 24. So we don't want to probably retest again. But here I'm thinking we got a nice move. Let's see. 27 could be retested, but don't break 27. That's the stop. Top of the gap here. Excellent. 34. So after 2 cents. So maybe 34, 35. I could exit for a 2 to 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Let's see, I'll exit. Only got 1K though. 34, 35. There it is. I'll take half. Nice. So it took half right there. Let's see if we can add on this. Nice. All right, let's see if we can add on this. Ooh, rejecting there. Not a big fan of that. Not a big fan of that rejection. Wow. That's lame. Okay, well, I'm back to flat on that. Just when you think you had a solid breakout, you get this rejection. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, good.
DXYZ.
We got EEIQ. Working very strong.
PRC. FIG. PCRF.
X18L.
All right, so EEIQs might be our focus today. We'll see. We'll be patient. All right, here we go. 32. Oh, okay. You're not friendly. I was gonna take that. Not friendly. SSR, maybe on the dip. Let's see. 27, 26.
F18F.
BBY.
IQ. BCS.
Oh man. We're gonna get a squeeze. Let's see it. I want to see a dip first. 20s. I'll take this. My goodness. I'm in at 29.
BCS.
Stop us flat. Okay, flat. I mean, the amount of. Ooh, okay. I gotta hold that. I gotta hold that.
IQ.
But stuff
BBY.
happens very fast on this thing. So I want to take small size and be able to size into this.
BTMS.
OPTXW.
Dang it. There goes 60.
EIQ.
GLND name.
Wow. There it goes.
BTR.
Massive squeeze. Okay, we got some
RCKT.
old school momentum here. Wow. That dip and that rip. That's a classic. Classic little dip.
IQ.
All right, we're playing with something very good here.
BZAR.
BGR.
EEIQ.
Okay,
BCX may res in 10 seconds.
maybe we can start here. This looks better. I definitely bought that. Come on. I bought this.
AIRS.
Didn't I buy it? I made you feel me at 34. You
RBI.
so laggy. Oh, that's so annoying. Don't like that. I don't like that.
FCHL.
That's so annoying. Okay, we're gonna keep it. 34. Stop 32, 36. Okay, let's do it.
RBNE.
Ah,
NDLS. BZAR.
LNAR.
RBI.
yeah, I gotta get out. That's crazy, dude. The lag on that?
AIRS.
Oh, that's so annoying.
SWMR.
Is it my Wi-Fi? What the heck, man? That took like 5 seconds to fill.
GLND.
Ah, dang it.
BZAR.
Oh, that's the worst.
LNAR.
All right.
SWMR.
So we're gonna open this in 20 seconds.
That's WMR.
What's it gonna be? We're playing with fire here.
RB.
Looking for a dip under 9, under 920. See if we can add to this for another hold up. That would be sweet. 10 E. That's pretty crazy here. Yeah, it's already out of my range. It's already out of the range. I want to trade it in.
EEIQ.
Okay. 1066, 988. We need to reduce even more size here as we trade it. Dip under 1066. Because we want to be able to add to this. Hold down is 9.
EEIQ.
So I do prefer this price range better, but this is the one that's actually giving free money, it seems like. And 20. Oof.
EEIQ.
Needs to do a massive rejection to 10. Massive rejection to 10.
EEIQ.
Now what? 32 here. Try that one more time. Volume. Volume is looking good. I tried the gap and goes and they haven't been working on me. And this one decides to go. Okay. Now what? Now what? 38.
AIFF.
Well, that is 32.
CRBN. AIFF.
We can get a move to 260.
MKBW.
I think we can get a move to 260. Just a matter of timing this. Dip under 38.
PRCD.
AIFF,
RBNE.
and CHL. MGN,
RBNE.
41.
PRCD.
40, 30, there it is, 39, 38, 39, 40. Let's see how far down you want to go.
GRLA is in the RBNE.
EEIQ,
RCKT.
Next
GLND,
handle. This one tested this gap here too.
RBNE. PRCD.
35. Bang.
PLD.
and ATN,
It's good enough for me. Stop is 32.
EEIQ, GLND,
RCKT. CTNE.
Jeez, bro. Jeez.
ORK.
Wow.
CMBN,
What?
GRLA.
I lost I lost everything I made. In what world, man? What? Oh, what a miserable day, huh?
PRCD.
35 to 16.
and CHL.
I got cooked on this.
EEIQ, GLND,
Unbelievable. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. 1150 is this level right there. Can you hold 1150? Pretty aggressive.
EEIQ,
Pretty aggressive area, yep. No, kind of too aggressive. So we're gonna look for a dip. Man, that was brutal. That drop was brutal. That was so brutal. Man, just when you're thinking you're having a good day, market comes around, takes everything from you.
and ATN,
PRCD.
Wow. All right, well, I want to see a dip here. All right, we'll be patient.
EIAF.
Okay, we may squeeze these guys one more time, man.
VIAF,
So we're jumping out of this top of this gap here. It doesn't want to go down. We'll give it one more minute. Give it one more attempt here. 40 to 59. So we got it 80-cent range here. 80-cent range. Maybe just one more dip.
CMBN, EEIQ,
Because I really want to get in there. Yes, one more dip, one more dip.
GLND,
55. Mm, 60, 50, 40. That was a dip right under 10. Right under 10 again. I'll try to take this 80. Yeah. $50, get over 60. I'll take it here. So stop is going to be 60, roughly around 60 here. The ask is still pretty high though. So we may see a nice pop here. Only 100 shares. Yeah, I gotta get out. Out right there. Dang it. All right. Losing like what, 70 bucks? 50 bucks?
CHL. GLND.
Ah, because it looked very good. I mean, it's been pretty strong considering UGRO yesterday and how well that worked. So,
RBNE.
so we got 882 down here.
CHL.
This 5 minutes gonna close pretty soon. So 920, 882. Could be a sweet dip.
RBNE. CMBN.
FCHL.
CHL. UGR.
All right, RBNE. After a lot of time, maybe we are set for a push here. Good dip down here into this zone. 55 to 48. Nice dip into that zone. Below VWAP. Didn't think it would work. I wasn't watching it. But here we go. I really think we can make a nice trade here. So I'll take I'll take 400 shares. Small size, tiny size. Needs to hold 70. Needs to hold 70 here. I mean, at 73. $95. Okay. We can start getting a squeeze here. Once this thing begins to push, we have a target of 337. I think we just grabbed I think we grabbed a lot of liquidity down here and down here as well. So let's see. Hopefully this thing holds 70. Small size, really small size. I want to be able to, I want to be able to add. High of this was 80, so we're looking for this to hold. Otherwise we might take a dip down 66. 66 to 63. Maybe that could be a good dip. So let's check this out. So I want to be able to add at some point on this gap and go. We're also red on the day after taking this massive flush. AIFF. It's just crazy how bad this flush was. Unbelievable. Anyway, it might break 70. Might break 70 here. 60, 70 on the pop back over 70, 70, 70. Back ask is on 74, so okay, held this because of nice bottoming wick there. Nice, okay. Cool. So I held that all the way down to 67. Reason why I held this because I'm taking smaller size, and I know there was a possibility of a dip, and the ask remained above 70. It went below 70 for a split second. If it stayed below 70, I probably would have taken it out. But it quickly jumped back over 70, the ask. So I still like this. Nice dip there. Let's see. High fill 73, but that's okay. So target on this like $3. Can we get $3 out of this? It's SSR as well, huh? So it can squeeze. The volume is low. Interesting. Holding 70 still. Don't want to see it under 70 again because that wouldn't be ideal. You know, we held one time under 70. Wouldn't want to do it 2 times. The ask is still on 70. We're getting some buyers here. Good. Pick this thing up. I'd like to pick this thing up here. So I'm gonna add here. Adding right there. If I see this thing 68, I'm gonna have to get it out. So I'm committed to this move here. So I'm adding on that, nice. So added at 71. Basically, because of the low volume, I'm getting a basically ask fails. So added on that because the move looks great. There's a little gap right there. It's respecting that gap. Rather, not respecting it, but it's still 70. It's becoming a strong level. So if I see 68, I have to get it out. Seven, it keeps holding. So RBNE. It might be early on this. I might need to wait another 15 minutes for the 11:30 move. But we'll give it a try.
HTV.
Back to 70. No, I out. Okay. Well, it's 40 there. Yeah, out. 63. $57. Oh my goodness. Wow. Today's volatility is crazy. Okay, I might take this. Oh my goodness. What? That's insane. All right, I had a good stop then. Good stop, 67. Jeez, that's crazy. Almost got caught in a second flush. But man, all right. Well, we're gonna take the small L here, down 70 bucks. All right, here we're gonna try one more trade. Stop 230 on this. Maybe we're able to get it. It's looking pretty decent. We're inside this red gap. Buyer at 34. Buyer at 34. Buyer coming down. The buyer gonna do it. We'll see how well this thing wants to play. Top of the gap of 34. But the gap's kind of small, so I don't want to take that yet. Buyer at 36 now, buyer moving up. So there's a buyer, which is nice. Okay, nice. 40. Now we're talking here. 37. 37. It might not fold 37. 36, yeah, it's not folding. I want to see this red gap gone. So maybe a dip here to 32. Try it one more time. Jeez, okay, good. Good, 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 good. All right, that dip 34, 35 had buyers. Decent, decent stuff. Now, what are we gonna do here? I really want to get this push. 260. Now we're getting the topping wick. Can you hold 40? High of this was 49. Hmm.
MSTV.
So this one didn't work too well on the dip here, dip on my gap, and it ended up failing pretty bad. So I don't know if dips are gonna work. You know, are dips actually gonna work? Holding here. Volume, it's okay. Maybe a 5 minute. I don't trust it. Don't really trust it. Don't really trust it. I could scalp it for a few cents, but don't really trust it. Honestly, I trust more a push here like this, where it gives a false breakout too. Even that. Okay. All right, dip at 32, dip at 30.
MSTV. CORD.
False breakout. It dipped though. It dipped right here, 41. Held 41. Back at 50.
MSTV.
Okay. One of these shorts get squeezed, man. Okay, this dip actually held. I was thinking we would see a massive flush. So 50 there, 52. Looking pretty squeezy here. Buying it. Squeeze. Nope. No, thank you. 52. Eh. It's kind of a silly buy, honestly, but in at 56, out like 54, I think. 50, 57 actually. No, I need this. That was a silly trade. All right, I should have avoided that. I would probably have better luck on the dip, but even the dip I don't trust. Yeah, oh well. I do want to catch an epic flush here. So epic flush could be down to 230, even lower. So just drop. Drop like a hammer. All the way down, baby. All the way down. Could hold 50. 50 was the top of that 5-minute gap. If the top of the 5-minute gap wants to hold, might take it here. Nope, 49, 50, 50. 51, 52. Nope.
EIQ. GLND.
Let's see how well 40 is gonna hold. It hasn't dropped aggressively how I thought it would do. Yeah, so the top of that gap at 41. Quick bounce there.
BSA.
Hmm.
EIQ.
No. Wanted to see if we could test 40. All right. I'll stay patient. Interesting dip here. EEIQ. Interesting little dip. I missed that. 860 is that low. I'd like to see this. Less size here. I like this. Taking 100. 889. This is a much better trade. Pretty high up here, but 89. Nice. Let's see if I can get may see this come a little lower or no. All right, well, let's wait it out here. 860. 860 is our stop, so 30 cents. 30 cents here. We could add a little lower. I like this. I like this. EIQ. Trying it one more time. We could probably come all the way up here again. No, it's looking pretty weak. Looking pretty weak. It's looking pretty weak there. Oh, never mind. Never mind. 28. It looked pretty weak as the volume was coming down and it's like the tape was slowing down. I was wrong. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice push here. High, this is 9, so we need to hold 9 here. So I want to add to this. Here we go.
USA.
Could be a good spot to add. Target on this would be 990, 10 bucks.
IQ.
Small size. Holding. Holding. Hopefully we see this. I mean, we know we can get really, we know we can get pretty strong moves on this. So we'll see. We're printing green here. 10 will be our target.
EEIQ.
Keep it on watch. 40. $15 is that low. Probably get down here to 9 one more time for a dip.
And spell the EIR. EEIQ.
45 though. Hasn't made a new low yet. Don't know if it's
USA.
a good time for a dip. I wouldn't hold it against me if I sell here at 40s. 30s. Let's see. I'm seeing a lot of green, so I'm thinking it's gonna squeeze, you know? Projecting 40 one more time. Might make a new low here. Might make a new low here. 15. We're looking for the move to 10 bucks. Another attempt at 10 bucks. Ooh, that candle finished green. Excellent. Made a new low though. This stock is just still going. All right, let's see. Want to look for a place to add. Here we go, new 5-minute. I want to see some green here. 40, 45. One more time, 40. Jeez. Got rejected there. It's looking pretty bearish here, but might take it here, 25. Okay, out there, 25. That candle looked like it rejected, so out there. Looks like it's going to reject. The way it rejected 40 so quickly. Not a big fan of that. Okay, so this one. Dip here, 53 is that low. Nice, you grab liquidity down at 9. Okay. I don't really trust this. All right, we're gonna call it here. We're down only 60 bucks, and happens a lot that I take so many red trades in a row. It's crazy. Why is that? I think I need to add the tagging feature so I can tell which trades are actually not working at certain places. So tagging feature coming soon. Anyway, so here we go. First trade right here. EEIQ dip and rip off the hold. Amazing. 3-1, more than a 3-1 actually. I was holding down to this was a pretty flat. I think this is pretty flat. I was like, I'm not 550 is too low. Whatever low I get, if it goes lower, I'm gonna get out. So anything above 6 was like profit for me. Anyway, it held this thing all the way to 664. I knew there was a target at 10, or rather 8, I think. Eventually goes there. Wow. So sometimes you never know. Like sometimes it's good to hold. Anyway, don't get much. Ah, this is such a silly thing, man. Again, like this is a 770 is this low. I'm taking 200 shares. Oh, my stop is too tight. Realistically, my stop is too tight. My stop has to be like 8. Like if it breaks 8, then I get out. I got the cushion too, so it's kind of frustrating. Anyway, what size did I take here? I took 400 here. Dang. Anyways, that didn't work too well. Ended up just blasting through all the way up to 12 bucks. So missing on some trades here. Trying to catch a dip here on the gap. No, doesn't work. Another time. Okay. Kind of too much, right? So 83 in again 74, nothing. Then I just took a trade right here. My last trade was here, 89, and out. What's this? 12:07. What time is it? 10:03. Yeah. So out right here. I think on this candle or so, like 25. Yeah, basically a 1-to-1, honestly, because I was risking 60s, but I noticed how at this time of the day. At this time of the day, and this stock, this price action, and we have a red gap right above our heads. I'm thinking $10 a target, but no. Anyway, let's just let it go and just moving on with the day. RBNE, I got a nice trade. I thought I was gonna get a nice trade here. Small size for 100 shares. In right here, 73. Stop right there, 70. Anyway, goes below my stop. But I notice I have small size, so I'm thinking, okay, this could actually work if it reclaims. It reclaims, keeps holding 70. The ask stays above 70, which is nice. I like to see that. Go sideways for a bit. I'm adding here 80, 71. Okay, okay, I'm seeing green here. We got support at 70. Let's go. See it go up to 74, but no. It immediately rejects a minute after that. Out 67. So, and I saved myself from a massive flush. A flush that could have been avoided because I did grab a flush on this one, but let's see. So beautiful trade here. In 23, in again 29 for the break of 30. Got the break of 30. I have to hold on the dip. Have to hold on this dip. My average was 26, and I have to hold to my average. Getting out too soon here because we have momentum coming our way. So 26. I gotta hold it, man. I gotta hold it. Anyway, it goes all the way up to 50s, and I'm like, at least hold to break even, right? Next, I take a dip here on the gap, fails. Not bad, worth the shot. I take another dip down here. Tight stop, I'm at the low of the gap, so I'm thinking this is a pretty strong red candle, so I need to see green right away, so tight stop, that's fine. Better trade here, so now I'm thinking, okay, top of the gap right here, 29. Thinking, okay, now we got a good trade, taking half out right here at 34 for a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, something like that. Then I'm thinking, okay, let me see if there's a place to add. It immediately rejects out 27 flat. Yeah, that sucks. This could have been a good trade. Anyways, and then take another gap and go, fails. And then take a dip on this gap and immediately rejects down 190 on the stock on that trade and down 240. Oh, because I think I took another trade. Yeah, I took a silly trade. Silly trade. Nonsense. I don't know why I trade stuff like this. I gotta take that out of my playbook. Like going for the breakout. Like no, I gotta avoid stuff like this because this is money. 20 bucks. 20, yeah, it's only 20, but come on. Like, got no business up here. Have to find a trade down here. Anyway, that's the story of the day. Down 60 bucks. 2-to-1 risk to reward. Winners are bigger. So bad. It turned the green day into red day. Too many red trades in a row. Not good. Anyway, all right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Free trading analysis tool. Try it for free. Check out our features. Tag feature coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Join us for $5 a month, 50 years. Honestly, the best analytics platform for beginner traders or really advanced traders. Or any kind of trader. I'm going to release the tagging feature. Any kind of trader is going to be able to use this and they're going to find it very useful. I love this feature here. This is amazing feature. Like, this is worth like the money right here. Able to see your entries and exits right away. Import, boom, right away see them. Anyway, I've seen like people build like scripts to put it into TradingView. You build a script, you upload your data, and then it's so manual, it sucks. So that's the reason why I built Mr. Profit, because I wanted to see this. And this is such a perfect tool to review your trading. Anyway, join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Hit me up on Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow, last day of the month. No, last day of the week. The month ends next week on a Tuesday, I think. Yep. Anyway, so see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.